quick and effective HIIT workouts for a flat tummy. How would you like to exercise less and gain more by spending a few minutes a day with your exercise regimen? This video will show you how you can gain more from your workout while spending extraordinarily little time working out. Countless studies have proven that high-intensity interval training, HIIT, is an excellent way to gain from aerobic exercises cardiovascular benefits within a short period. In a 2011 article published by the Journal of Obesity, researchers from the University of New South Wales noted that this form of exercise can reduce both subcutaneous and abdominal body fat. If you are interested in working out specifically to have more developed core and more defined abs, here are a few quick and effective HIIT workouts. Turning squat jumps. Stand with your feet around hip-width apart. Lower yourself into a squat. Hold your lowest position for 2 seconds. Swing your arms back to gain momentum before jumping up as high as you can. In midair, twist your body 90 degrees to the right so that you land in a squat position facing the other side. Repeat until you are back to your starting position. 4 turning squat jumps, and then do the same while turning on your left side. Another 4 turning squat jumps. Bunny hop plank. Start in a high plank position where your arms are straightened out right below your shoulders and your toes are on the mat with your feet close together. In one smooth movement, engage your core and jump both feet towards your right side so that your torso is twisted and your knees are located close to your right elbow. Jump your feet back so you end up in your original high plank position. Do the same hop on the left side before jumping your feet back. Keep alternating between both sides until you have completed 10 hops per side, or 20 hops in total. Curtsy plus back lunge with hop. Start with your feet firmly planted on the ground with your feet together and your hands clasped at chest level. Use your right leg to take a big step backward and to the left side, and lower yourself into a curtsy lunge. Take your right foot back into your original standing position. Use your right leg to take a big step straight back and lower yourself into a backward lunge. In one smooth movement, swing your right leg forward, bend your knee toward your chest and hop up. As you reach the ground, lower yourself back into your backward lunge before returning to your original starting position. Repeat the entire movement with your right leg 10 times. Do another 10 repetitions on your left side. Crossing mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position where your feet are around hip-width apart. Bend your right knee and bring it towards your left elbow. Straighten your right leg back while you bring your left knee towards your right. As quickly and smoothly as you can, keep alternating between both sides until you have completed 10 per side, or 20 in total. HIIT is not meant to be easy, but it allows you to improve your health and shed excess body fat without having to dedicate several hours a week to exercise. Do these quick and effective HIIT workouts for a few minutes each day and watch your tummy flatten. Additionally, you will be able to enjoy more energy, better strength, and a leaner body overall. Following is the study reference we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.